Hi, I'm here at Halfords, and today I'm going to talk to you about the baseball bat steering lock by Simply. This steering wheel lock has 5 main features that make it easy to use and quite convenient. The first aspect about it, it has this yellow paint on the outside, which deters any thief from stealing your car. The second aspect is that it's incredibly tough because it's made of heavy-duty tempered steel. The third aspect is it's incredibly easy and convenient to use. All you have to do to use it is fit it around your steering wheel, lock it, and take the key out and you're ready to go. The fourth thing is this heavy-duty locking mechanism, which makes it incredibly hard for thieves to pick your lock. The last and fifth aspect about the baseball bat steering lock is the fact that it's very small and compact, in which you can take and put it in your car, put it in your bag, and it's very easy to store.